Kungkamsa Pyokin Yinting Sangulirim Kunzu Shuyi, Taring Pyogaluni Don Gata Shivshani, Ravne Shinglu Le, Penda Gube, Seva Chongata, Chiluni Don Chong Le, Taujube, Sen Subdu, Samingma Gilirim Yindun Shuyi. Taring Gilirim na, Jino Consecam Grinchimbuchola, Ari Tonker, Philadelphia, Gayon, Zatim Dine Kanki, Chiluni Don Chong Le, Rawangi Tamate Puto. Bande Sigyon Chogi, Gagar, Indoor Tonker na, Gonso Nawe, Chulu, Tundi, Lenzo Tola Tamshe na do. Nasi Galucho da Bir Sanjo Dekan Sarga Leshir Tungu Nankingi Jindaje Sanisu Leshi Sikola Pedanto. Pimitikzu Shiri Lekone Gaga Chansha Sakuki Puri Lopchu Tan Pamachola Dunlam Lobde Nashimbareto. Sanguleri Mutem Silana. Jino Consecam Gwechimbuchola Ari Tonker Philadelphia Gayon Zatim Dine Kanki Chilunidon Chongale Rawangi Tamate Puyobre. Consecam Gwechimbucho Senda Busheki Zegor Chipgu Kyantu Mebarte Consucho ki Kutsabne Tamate Sheyobre. Senda Tishin Consecam Gwechimbucho ki Zamni Dina Chamzeta Domi Topdan Kombe Tola Labchengi Chale Nawe Zejela Iran Shushetu Pibushi Redo. Chedo Senda Busheki Zegote Kasan Sadawe Chido Aringa de Pennsylvania Tonker Philadelphia Yobe Gayon Zatim Dine Kantu Tsoyobre. Consecam Gwechimbucho Talen Senda Desheber Pepmatube Gunzen Zowo Nieja Gui Toshitaje Gapsu Membe Gunye Sukangman Gwebe Lamde Puber Dar Chipgu Natu Mebre. Consecam Gwechimbucho ki Senda Busheki Zegweto Nintin Gu Tuji Cheshu Sungchin Shi Zeto. Tena Talengi Senda Di Kanyi ki Tapar Zamni Shideta Tseme Shiwa Nangku Dinja Sok Tola Shamde Timbutu Yobater Cheton Nao Shila Winzi Zebata Gasushuna Do.
It's a great holiday. Regret I cannot come there to receive your prestigious birthday award. Because my health reason, the doctors, concerned doctor, they advised me, take more rest like that, and also some sort of medical checkup like that. So I cannot come to receive. However, I want to thank your organization. When I received Nobel Peace Prize, I expressed, I'm just a simple Buddhist monk, no more, no less.
Ngwe le nobe shide sengda nawe kapla sengda di zo ngwe ne zamling shide dang tseme shiwa nangku digja soki tola shamdek tembu duye bater chedon nangwa shila ngunzi chigi yu shubi.
I consider some kind of recognition about my own sort of contribution for peace, non-violence, reconciliation, these things. So similarly here, I deeply touched.
Talen Kenambe, the Chedon Nawar, Mura, Kazochimbuchum.
My effort, my little service to humanity. Mainly, I fully committed.
Mura Nambe Kelon Kumashi, Tuda do draw me Rwanda, Sanju, Chedon Cheki Tola, Shamdik Dugu, Chosim Timbu.
Freedom, liberty, these are basic sort of human value. Without liberty, freedom, human creativity is fully. Without individual creativity utilize, it is difficult to progress. And then meantime, liberty does not mean we also have the freedom or liberty to utilize our destructive emotion. No. The freedom or democracy or liberty is take for granted on the basis of basic human nature is more compassionate, more positive. So we have naturally we have the right of freedom, liberty like that. So therefore, my commitment to promotion of deeper human value. Two ways. Basic human nature, as some scientists sort of
ngwene ne de ni gi to ne draw mi ring da kong to tong tab chi gi thangbu de cheri be cheba chebe to ne de ju chi gyur draw mi rang shin de chamje tem ba shi yim ba da ten ni zo ma zo me chamje wo ne chung re
every children or everybody has to come from mother and receive the maximum mother's affection. Then more constant sort of anger, hatred, fear is very bad for our health.
Jingna da khongdu chöden de nugi yu ba she ba de ngunde re.
This is more how to say now scientists, some of the scientists you see through their research, you see they say that. So that's human basic nature. That's the real sort of basis of our hope. Then the education. Existing education sort of system, not much talking about these inner value.
Tene she yu tade she yu lam lu na nang sem gi ring dang to la lob su tu yu te zam gi zi che jing gi me ya sem gi ring dang gor ge che she du chue de wa da yu yu
Today
chue to ne she na zam ling di na mi tung ju chu chue ke mi leng ge cha gi yu che za ma zu mi chang me mo leng yu be tam lam shik chue go yu ge chu cha gi du
quite strange. Mischievous religious people also there. So therefore, you see, we need the certain sort of way or certain way of to promote or educate these things, which can be universally acceptable. So that's
when a chue the mandate to draw me rinda konto tongtab su bejun chi shi
when
India tingdu shin lam lu nang duang chue the mandate war cheri be tubten da tube to ne nang sim gi rinda kongpe gi lopsu to go bai.
I think that's a very relevant to today's world. So my sort of commitment, promotion of these human value through secular way. So education should include some program about, you see, the education about our inner value, not based on religion, but based on scientific finding. So therefore, my last 30 years close sort of discussions or contact with many scientists. So
eventually, tebe lo sumjuring serik ba mangbu da nyam do kodur chebe tamar sem da sogi tine khandi sanju chebe yi.
So I there is some sort of fund now with this award. I want to give to contribute the Mind Life Institution.
Chezan talengi chage ngubo teya sem da sogi tine khanda shende pigyu yi. Tine khandi shungye so lobsu tuyu shamde chimbu tushin yola ringmi ngundu ne tolo pargi lobsen na chugu lobshi rasin shikya tebe tugu rewachi shin yu.
So therefore, I consider this institution is something very important. The institution already carry a certain quite effective sort of way to educate younger people, although we still in the level of research level. So eventually, I think within a few years, I think we may produce a draft about the curriculum about education from kindergarten level up to university level. So then, that's so your award is give me further enthusiasm. So I very much appreciate.
Tengdir kenambe ngola sengda tenda shik nawate ledun to tadun shugya gyur ningdo parmashi gechu.
This opportunity, I want to take this opportunity is to tell you, to share with you, my friends.
Tamar kogab dikyune ngui ki chokbu chungmun namla nganchu changma draw mirik chigyur yin draw mi tedun che samlu tonggo yude nganchu changme lengin re nganchu mire ngure zamlingi nedan sangdu tane kibashik tungyu te samlu tonggo koryu te nya chugu kabre kange hajang chimbu thongwe kap nga michi ki kang che tu bi mare samne semshu cha ne degyu tenda yongshi tenda mare keji kyun legu thongwa de mi gerne gozu ba ma to nam tho ta zamli nyamre ke so deshi sishun shi ne yongyu mare tawu mi ger ki legu pe gu chu tenne rangi nangmi ta kimje tenne rimshi chizo gi samlo shugin teptu ba shikta tar zamli mi bor terbum thula shu tebyure dingmu gi chusem da yiji tuji che
with your family member, then your neighbor, through that way, change the way of thinking in the community. Through that way, eventually, 7 billion human beings' way of thinking can change. So that's my belief and my conviction. So I want to take this opportunity to share my friends there. Thank you very much.
Tangma theda nyamdu jaga agor bumchi phuyebre ngibor the konsa choki semda sogi tine khala shindep che do rawangi tangma theshi domi rawang khombe che du shamde tupken la loda phuyebre pande sigyon kywa losa singi choki gyagar madhya pradesh ngade indor thongkhe na chulu thundi ta domi de kontor tongthap ko gi geji lenzo su tamshe na do lenzo khuti nangke ngade rikshung sungyop lekhung ta sanji nangbe zula lobkha tishin chulu ta chiso nyamshi tene kha che imbre chije ni sepshi ne ni sadu par ninda sumgi lenzo unje nimor ngade chigyap lenchen cho ta gyaga chozo ome chozo dugyu gi chisi lenchen so pemna yobre temi Sri Lanka nangbe chobe chozo so mina mangbu shi kya nyamshu na do sane su sigyon choki pemi susong waso da thukje ki sungshe ya na yobre Yalam nasi galun geri roma chota bir pyomi shija kuitu pyoni sadu jowa tsuche du gyashimbe tyokan sagyagi leshir tungyo nankin jinda cheba sanesu leshi sigo la pena do. Netherlands na tenshi chebe ECH Smalter Stitching roto ne tyokan leshi teche du hingor bum shibya sumchusuni nangyu kele na yobre. Kimza dunju tyoni gi tyokan leshi ter kyun todun hingor bum dungya tukchu rebge ta tukchu shidon nigi yobre do. Roso ki tsozo Ideven Gulik Saminamni ki leshir sigo nangab ta dun nasi galyo cho ki zugdun leshi dodun ki nedan ta leshi chukyo chazan tuje ta tadung ngui kangzam shik dangi mebe kange ya shuyobare do. Gyaga chanshar sakui doji ling tang Kalimpong sonada rabang la che ten lop tu ta pama chebar dunlam lopdun ta tede sabzong nashibare do. Sanesu dunlam lobdun lero tenzi choden la ngui supebde zinda chukba ne chungi parki lobchuk rerer mao migyu zincho sok ko la lobdun nashimba thang temin lobchuk so ruka la goyde lobyun leshi thang shungi choden ne dun sok ko la lobdun thang penzun chiwa chilengi lerimchi nangi yobre do. Pamatsoda nyamdu chukui dunlam te taju checho thang lobzhong to la tunan techo shungcho ne chukur zenyem thang nyedung tongcho te la siju zincho thang shungde lobyun leshi sok to la pame ngwe ne genkur shecho to lobchi nawe mase samja durub ya shuyubare do. Lerim dini pimi jikzu shiri le khungi changshar sakui du dunlam lobdun nawe lerim teng sumbate imba thang kyun ninda nish zangye lerim dishin jinda chuji ki tse ngay ni yongsu chukdigi yobare. Samdine taringi sangyuka nyindun shusimba yin pödön sangyu gebaka Tibet sa net na pö sa Asia shizang tri sa ork chebe tazik tezo ton sigiyu. Dine shamla dharamsale namshingwenda ta pöki menzi kanki nire tseje loto sirona.
Pögyalo nidon gyada shibji shenyi tang rabjun chudunbe namlu shinglu lu pönda gube tse chudun resal hakwa tang redo dakar takar te jinda chube tse nishu tse nga tang jungchu chulung yinbe tse jangyen terden ledun so chigyon nyenba namni karle tang arbu leshi tang kangba shiksui rigla nyemba tang menjo cheba kimsar zimba rabdu chungwa chura sowe lela nyenjing teshin sada ubu lakdongya kenshin dogbe gyuno pönjen chila tongyur zim teshin lota tadru nigi shesa yinbe teni lamdu chungwu tang yendang changma shugin ganyi soda mitun chungwu yobe rangi chajoyla yiksabche pögyalo nidon gyada shibju shenyi tang rabjun chudunbe namlu shinglu lu pönda gube tse chubdunda resa pobu redro daga chanyi te jinda chube tse nishu tsagu yinjing tenin jungchui melu yinbe tseja sang nyingte ledun so chegyor sangwa namni wang guwa tang kinkor chiwa lakang mang dingwa tang jingse cheba chongle cheba lero sardu tenba lamdu shukba labadu lute dubwe lusanda luto tongguri ne tedar nana sangwa yin teshin lobda tayu nibe lasa yinbe tini lamdu chewa sik yongyang pangmen nambu yinbe longchang rigda changse gadun chemini tujeche